Hello students and welcome to the lecture on logic in AI. The fourth lecture in the lecture series for the course of Introduction to Soft Computing for the Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering students of the 7th semester Goa College of Engineering. I am Ms. Purti Savadekar, the faculty in charge of this course. In the last class, we understood the concepts of states, state spaces and state space search that is used to represent and solve a real world problem. We also understood that many a times systematic strategy algorithms like depth first search and breadth first search may cause combinatorial explosion. That is where we understood the importance of strategies or algorithms that perform a heuristic search. Today, we will briefly discuss how knowledge can be represented and manipulated to solve problems in AI. A good representation of the knowledge base or facts is extremely important to solve a real world problem. To understand this, let us consider the mutilated checkerboard problem. Consider a normal checkerboard from which two squares in opposite corners have been removed. The task is to cover all the remaining squares exactly with dominoes, each of which covers two squares. No overlapping either of the dominoes on top of each other or dominoes over the boundary of the mutilated board are allowed. No overlapping. Can this task be done? Can it be done? Pause this video for a minute or two and think. One way to solve this problem is to try all possible ways of tiling the dominoes to see if any one way works. This is one representation of the problem. It does not directly suggest the answer to the problem. Now, let us look at the second representation of the same problem. From this representation, we clearly see that each domino must cover exactly one white square and one black square. Now pause the video for a minute or two and try to see if you can figure out the answer to the problem now with this representation. Now let us look at the third representation. The third representation is number of black squares is equal to 30 and the number of white squares is equal to 32. Can you figure out the answer now? Yes, the answer is that this task cannot be done because there are two less black squares for the corner two dominoes to cover in whichever way you may try to arrange them. Even for human problem solvers, representation of facts, the knowledge base makes enormous amount of difference in trying to find the answer to the problem. Humans have an abstract reasoning process from initial facts to final facts. An AI program's intention is to replicate that reasoning process. To do this, the initial facts need to be represented in a way that program will be able to operate on this representation of facts and then generate the final facts. In other words, a kind of forward representation mapping of initial facts makes up the internal representation of the initial facts. The program then operates on these represented initial facts and gives the internal representation of the final facts. then a backward representation has to be performed in order to obtain the final facts. Now, for the program to operate on the represented facts, that is, to derive new knowledge from the old knowledge, or deduce, the facts need to be represented in a deducible manner. There are many ways of representing facts. One of them is the method of mathematical deduction using the language of logic. Proposition and predicate logics are used for this purpose. We can then conclude that a new statement is true by proving that it follows from the statements that are already known. Let us look at a simple example using mathematical logic. That is predicate. Consider the English statement, Spot is a dog. The fact represented by English sentence can also be represented in logic as dog into bracket Spot. Spot is a dog. Dog, Spot. Suppose that we also have a logical representation of the fact that all dogs have tails, which is given as for all x, such that if x is a dog, then x has tail. For all x such that if x is a dog, then x has tail. Then, using deductive mechanisms of logic, we may generate the new representation object has tail Spot. Spot has tail. Using an appropriate backward mapping function, we could then generate the English sentence Spot has a tail. We see that what an AI program does is to manipulate the internal representation of the facts that it is given. And this manipulation should result in new structures that can also be represented as internal representation of facts. In other words, these structures should be the internal representation of facts that correspond to the answer to the problem, which is described by starting set of facts. I hope this brief introduction to the logic in AI was interesting. See you now at the live classes on Google Meet to discuss further. Thank you.